Hi, I'm Jess Kasparian, the beauty editor here at Reviewed, and today I'm going to tell you all about the Shark FlexStyle. So what is the Shark FlexStyle? The Shark FlexStyle is a multi-attachment hair tool that uses Coanda Technology, which basically means that it suctions the hair to the attachments using pressure and airflow. And if this sounds familiar, that's because the Dyson Airwrap uses the exact same technology in its own tool. The Shark FlexStyle comes in both a straight and wavy hair version, a curly and coily version, and also you can build your own kit. No matter what kit you go with, you'll get multiple attachments. And so those include the auto wrap curlers, which you'll use to curl your hair, some paddle brushes, a concentrator nozzle, and a diffuser if you have curly hair. All versions of the kit, regardless of which one you choose, also come with the same base attachment, which can also act as a hair dryer when snapped into an L-shaped position. Here are some of the things I love about the Shark FlexStyle. So first of all, I love that you can use it as a normal hair dryer. So without putting any attachments on it, I can snap it into that L position and I can just dry my roots before going in with a paddle brush or the curling attachments, depending on what I want to have as my style that day. I also like that it comes with all of the attachments you need for any type of blowout you want. If you just want to dry your hair quickly to get out the door, you can do that. If you want really smooth, straight strands, you can use one of the round brush attachments to really straighten and lengthen your hair. And then if you want a curly style, you can use the curling attachments to add a little bit of flip and bend to your hair, even if it's just those front pieces to add a little more body. Lastly, the settings in the tool are actually really intuitive. So there is a button for airflow, a button for temperature, both of which have low, medium, and high settings, and there's a cool shot button for when you want to set your style in place. All the buttons are really easy to press and reach to when you're styling as well. Although I really like the Shark FlexStyle, there's definitely a learning curve to using it, especially with the curling attachments. Unlike a normal curling iron that you would clamp your hair around and then spin upward toward your head, you're going to just dangle your hair near the tool and the airflow will take the hair and suction it to the tool. And unless you've used a tool like this, like the Dyson Airwrap a bunch, you probably are not going to get the hang of it right away. It may take a few uses. However, once you do get used to it, it's a breeze. So overall, the pros are that the tool works as a normal hairdryer. It comes with all the attachments you need for a blowout, and the settings are really intuitive. While the cons are that there's definitely a learning curve to using the curling attachments. So with all of that said, should you buy the Shark FlexStyle? If you ask me, I say it's definitely worth purchasing. Yes, it's sort of pricey, but at the same time, if you've been considering the Dyson Airwrap, this is about half the price of that. And this can replace multiple tools in your kit. It has a hairdryer brush, and a curling wand. So it's everything you need for a perfect style at home. For the full review of the Shark FlexStyle, head over to reviewed.com and thanks for watching.